Welcome back. Yeah, it's me, Lakpa. I'd gone to Enki's place because I wanted to wake up early in the morning around 3 or 4 and go for a walk. But sadly, it didn't happen because since Enki had lots of work and she had to sleep in late, so I suggested her we go around 5:30. But eventually it was 6. And after coming from the morning walk, I did some journaling, then helped Enki to prepare our breakfast, and we had. And in the afternoon, we went to see a monastery which was near our place. And for that, I had already called Elena also. She had already come. We were a bit late, and since one of our colleagues lived near the Gumpa, we thought of paying him a visit too. And yeah, we went there. Actually, I thought of going to see some waterfalls in the morning, but since the weather was so hot, we forgot about that and decided to visit this Gumpa. And as we reached there, we were chatting, and my other friend, as you know, Umesh, joined us too. And yeah, after some time, Minzida was kind enough to offer us some lunch, which was our favorite, by the way. And yeah, we helped with the lunch. And after lunch, we just sat and did some chit-chatting and looked around the place. And finally, after some hour, we decided to leave. And before that, we thought of visiting the Gumpa. We had not visited yet. And there we went. We took some photos. After that, we parted our ways, and it was only me and Elena who had to come back to Soring, since Umesh lives in Oging and Yankee lives in Singling, and Dada was there only. Dada's place was there only. And we also went to the market to get the fish. And Elena started preparing the dinner. Actually, she's the only one who cooks most of the time because she's really good cook. And yeah, I help her and I do the dishes most of the time. And we had our dinner, then retired to our bed. Hello guys. Since it was weekend, so I woke up a bit late, and after all my morning rituals, I finally decided that I would do the massive cleaning of this very room like I had never done before. I wiped the windows and did everything I could. And yeah, after that a shower was must, so I took one. And since the weather was fine, I did the laundry too. And after lunch, I decided to visit my sister. So I asked Elena to go along with me. And yeah, after reaching their place, we had a pleasant time together. Then came back to the room after buying some stuffs we needed for the dinner. And as soon as we got back to the room after washing up, we got into the job of making the very dinner. We had planned to have momo, so we started preparing for it. And the momo we made was so good that we stuffed ourselves with it and then did some cleaning, and yeah, a good night's sleep. Thank you everyone for watching till the end. Do like, share, and if you haven't subscribed yet, do subscribe for more. See you next time.